Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Poonch district. The youth were martyred by the Indian troops during a cordon and search operation. The operation was continued till last reports came in. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has thanked the Pakistani government and the people of Pakistan for expressing solidarity with the Kashmiris on the occasion of the Exploitation Day on 5th August. APHC General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmad Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the morale of the Kashmiri people has been boosted by the firm stand expressed by the Pakistani government and the people on the Kashmir issue. Cordon and search operations continued in different districts of the occupied Kashmir. Operations continued on the fifth day today with intensified searches and surveillance in the Halan area of the Kulgam district. Meanwhile, the cordon and search operations also continued in different areas of Kupwara, Rajouri and Poonch districts. Kashmiri Americans, along with the Friends of Kashmir, including women and children, gathered at the historic Times Square, New York, to reject India's settler colonialism and show solidarity with the people of the occupied Kashmir. The rally was jointly organized by all Kashmiri American diaspora organizations. The protesters held up placards and banners which read, "UN, wake up UN, release, release Yasin Malik, release." Two youth died in different road accidents in the Poonch district. An Indian Army porter was on its way. Two youth died in different road accidents in the Poonch district. An Indian Army porter was on its way from Buddha Amarnath Mandir towards Tehsil headquarters in Mandi when it met with an accident. Another accident took place when a bus hit and killed a motorcyclist youth in the Surankot area. Delhi High Court sought the stand of the National Investigation Agency on a plea by the illegally detained senior All Parties Hurriyat Conference leader Shabir Ahmad Shah, seeking bail in a fake funding case filed against him in 2017. The bench of justices issued notice to the NIA on an appeal filed by the APHC leader against a trial court order refusing to grant him bail.